Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to activate follower option in Facebook account. Right now you can see that my Facebook profile looks like this. To view the profile from another perspective, there you can see three dot line icon. You can tap over there. And there you can see the option view as. You can tap on that. Now you can see that my profile is looking like this at the moment from others' perspective. Now to change it, we will go on our menu at the bottom. Now scroll down, there you can see the option settings and privacy. You need to tap on that. Again there you can see settings option, you can tap on that. Now scroll down a bit. There you can see the option audience and visibility, and in that section you can find the option followers and public content. You need to tap on that. Now here you can see list of options. All you need to do is simply tap on this option and change it to public. You need to change it to public in every options available over there. After you are done changing it to public, simply go back. Again there you can see the option how people find and contact you. You need to tap on that. But in this section you need to change the option into friends of friends. After you are done changing that, you can simply go back. And now if you go and check it from others' perspective, now you can see that my profile will be looking like this from others' perspective, and there you can see the option follow now. This is how you can activate follower option in Facebook account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.